We like to think we're advanced. Smartphones in our pockets, rockets launching to Mars, AI writing essays. However, according to physicist Michio Kaku, humanity is still in its primitive stage. We are not a Type 1 civilization. We are not even close. We are a Type 0 civilization. That simple fact explains almost everything wrong with the world today. The Kardashev scale measures a civilization by how much energy it can control. Type 1 harnesses all the energy on its home planet. Type 2 captures the full power of its star. Type 3 commands an entire galaxy. Where are we? Kaku estimates humanity is Type 0.73. We get most of our energy from dead plants and dinosaurs' fossil fuels. We fight wars over oil. We poison our own atmosphere. We let billions live in poverty while a few hoard wealth. And this is what Type 0 looks like. Kaku calls the transition from Type 0 to Type 1 the most dangerous period in any civilization's history. Why? Because we now have a planetary level power, nuclear weapons, climate engineering, genetic manipulation. But Type 0 thinking, tribalism, nationalism, short-term greed? We can destroy ourselves before we ever reach Type 1. But here's the hopeful part. We are rising. Renewable energy is exploding. The internet is uniting the planet. Science is advancing faster than ever. Kaku predicts we could reach Type 1 in 100 to 200 years. We'll master fusion, control the weather, live in harmony with our planet. The question is, will we survive our own adolescence? Type 0 civilizations either grow up or destroy themselves. We are at that crossroads right now. The future isn't written, it's built. One choice at a time. Michio Kaku's message is clear. We are still children, playing with matches on a planet made of wood. But children grow up. And when we do, the stars will be waiting. So what does a Type 1 civilization actually look like? Kaku describes it as a planetary society. No more borders drawn in blood. No more wars over resources. Energy would be abundant and clean. Fusion reactors powering entire continents. We could control the weather, stop hurricanes, end droughts, redirect storms. Global communication would be instant and universal. The internet today is just the beginning. Poverty, hunger, and many diseases, gone. Humanity would function like a single organism, managing the entire planet as one system. Type 2 would be even more incredible, harnessing the full power of the sun. A Dyson sphere or swarm, a megastructure surrounding the star to capture every drop of its energy. Colonizing the solar system would be routine. Interstellar travel might begin. Type 3? Controlling an entire galaxy. Trillions of stars at our command. Travel between them is like traveling between cities today. But Kaku is clear, we are nowhere near that. We are still burning fossil fuels, still divided by ancient tribal loyalties, still capable of destroying ourselves with weapons we barely understand. The path to Type 1 is not guaranteed. It requires cooperation on a scale we've never achieved. It requires wisdom, not just intelligence. And it requires us to grow up fast. Kaku often says the internet is the first step toward Type 1 consciousness. It's beginning to connect us all. But we must choose unity over division, sustainability over greed, long-term thinking over short-term gain. The stars are not reserved for the perfect. They are waiting for those who survive their own childhood. Humanity is young, dangerous, full of potential. And right now, we are writing the chapter that decides everything. Will we make it to Type 1? Only if we decide, together, that the future is worth fighting for. Thank you for watching Legends of Innovation. If this made you think, like, subscribe, and comment. Are we ready for Type 1?